Connecting nature and people is the greatest role played by the East African Natural History Society, the oldest scientific society in Africa, founded in 1909. Today, as Nature Kenya in Kenya and Nature Uganda in Uganda, the society plays an ever more active role through its members, its publication, its participation in national fora, and its project on the ground. This year, the East African Natural History Society celebrates 100 years since its inception. Among its early accomplishments, in 1910, the Society established a museum and started a scientific journal. In 1939, the Society handed the museum over to the government. It has since grown into the world-famous National Museums of Kenya. Close links with the museum have continued. The Nature Kenya office is on the Nairobi Museum grounds. Nature Kenya still assists the national museums to manage the library, a major research facility. And the two organizations cooperate in producing the Journal of East African Natural History and many other initiatives. The aim of Nature Kenya, a non-governmental organization, is to promote the study of natural history and conservation of the natural environment in Eastern Africa.
Okay. Now our mission is to connect nature with people, or people with nature. We very much focus on local communities. We have a strong concern that they benefit from biodiversity so that we can win their support for conservation.
Nature Kenya Conservation Program has been based on important bird areas, IBAs, since 1995.
Kenya has a rich diversity of birds. Over 1,000 species of birds are to be found here in Kenya. They are present in a variety of habitats, which has allowed us to define 60 important bird areas. And the two are about to be added to make 62. These important bird areas are sites like, for example, Nairobi National Park is an important bird area. Nakuru National Park is an important bird area. Even sites that are not protected, like the Kinangop.
It is run in partnership with site support groups drawn from local communities to raise awareness on the importance of biodiversity conservation. Friends of Kinangop Plateau and Kichabe Environment volunteers are examples of site support groups that Nature Kenya has partnered with.
And the main purpose as to why the group was started was because of the high rate of destruction that was taking place in the forest. So the young people who started the group came up with a group to try and create awareness among the community members on the importance of conserving the forest.
It is through these site support groups and their eco-resource centers that Nature Kenya works to protect endangered species of birds. For example, the Sharp's longclaw at the Kinangop grassland.
The local community is fully involved in this eco-resource center that was built by Nature Kenya through a funding from the BCP CDTF program of European Union. And within a week, we normally receive over 300 people that come in the resource center, some looking for information, as we have a lot of information.
You too can be part of this noble cause by becoming a member of Nature Kenya.
We need your support in nature conservation. We need as many peoples as possible support, because the work we're doing is incredibly important in saving species and in saving habitats.
Apart from contributing to protect our natural habitats and wildlife, you receive a monthly newsletter, Kenya Birds Magazine, numerous opportunities to join field trips, outings, overnight campings, free access to our libraries, national museums, and any other museum sites in Kenya. Nature Kenya also conducts bird walks every Wednesday and third Sunday of each month for its members, and it has been so for the past 38 years.
Well, we hope that when people really enjoy the outdoors, when they really enjoy the beauty of birds or the peacefulness of a walk in the forest, they will want to conserve it.
We at Nature Kenya are committed to the conservation of biodiversity, and we need your support to realize our goals, and we need you to become a member. Truly, Nature Kenya is enriching livelihoods through connecting nature with people.
Tony